So today on our special feature about the blue economy, we're going to be talking about, or rather breaking down, the importance of conserving our ocean ecosystem and environment.
True.
Because as we do the conservation, there are some benefits that we get, when we do this. Ni kama tu mkulima akienda shambani apande, atapata mazao. How sio?
Ndio.
All right. Now, without much further ado, just want us to welcome the beautiful
Shali Wandera.
All right. Why should we conserve our oceans? Why is it so important?
One, we do know that from the ocean is where we have our fish and mariculture. So we get food and resources from our water, and the ocean is a major source of food and resources for humans. We get our fish from the water, and if the environment around the ocean is not clean, that means that these dirt, or the dirt that is usually along the shoreline, once the water comes up, unajua venye the waves comes and then inabeba uchafu, hiyo uchafu inaenda kwa maji, and in the long run we find that our fish ndo zinaumia kwa maji, so we end up spoiling the what is it called,
the ecosystem.
The ecosystem. So one of the benefits that we do get from preserving our ocean environment is that we do get food from there.
All right. Now you are wondering, what else can you benefit from this? Well, I do have something in store for you, and that is the economic benefit of conserving our oceans. Yo, check it out. We have fishermen. We have tourists. We do have each and every group of people coming, or rather using the ocean, because when it is holiday time in Mombasa, everyone flocks out here for the festivities, to see the
truly.
ocean. Guys head on to Diani, Watamu, just to enjoy the salty waters, the beaches and all that. Also, when you talk about tourists, a lot of cruise ships do come or dock into the port cities, just to enjoy the culture, to enjoy whatever Mombasa and every other ocean country has to offer. So when we do take care of the ocean, we can increase our tourism levels, And finally, income for our fishermen and our communities at large, because you do know fish is a very staple food in Mombasa. You need fish because of its nutrients, because you can get array of products like cod liver oil,
Yeah, truly.
Exactly, from ocean and the life that is found within the ocean. So when you do take care of your environment, we can benefit economically.
Also, we do have another benefit. Like you've mentioned, there is a cultural significance. So, if we don't preserve this ocean conservation, then when tourists come in and they see that, the environment around the ocean is not clean, then they would prefer going to other places. Because, by the way, there's one time a friend of mine told me that they don't like the beach around, is it the inland, Mombasa inland? Is it inland or what is it? They prefer going to Watamu or Diani, because they say the water there is very clean as compared to Upper Ivy Pirates and other beaches. So one of the benefits is that we get to protect our cultural significance. If our oceans, our beaches are clean, then we get people coming in because they're also comfortable in the environment. So that's one of the other benefits.
All right, and as we wrap up, the final benefit is biodiversity. Well, you do know, or you do realize, that the ocean is not made up of only fish. It's only made up of plants and array of other organisms that thrive and live within the ocean. So when we do consider putting in measures like planting mangroves, planting seaweeds and seagrasses, we are not only taking care of the fish and the animals that are found within the seas, because the environments such as mangroves, seaweeds offer food, shelter, and also breeding spaces for such creatures, which as a result increases the biodiversity of a particular ecosystem.
From Mombasa, Kenya.